Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to get a 3D edit on CapCut application. So first thing you have to do here is just open the CapCut application. Okay, now you're already in a CapCut application. I would like to make you know that the 3D edits will be work in photo, video, project. So means that when you create a new project, you need to choose the photo sections so that you will have an access to use the 3D edits. Okay, here I already did the project to you guys. I already have the photo that I prepare on my project here. So it's so simple to get a 3D product or 3D edit. Just need to go click the clip, and after that you just need to go click style. In this style, you just need to find out a 3D Zoom Pro, or you can also explore another thing. Make sure that you are in expressions. Oh, I'm so sorry. In the motion, make sure you are in the motion sections, and after that you will find a 3D Zoom Pro and 3D Zoom. So you can choose which one that you want to add to. If you want to 3D Zoom Pro, you can just click it to apply it and find out how it work. Okay, and after you done, just need to click done, and let's try for another clip. Do the same quick style, and after that go into the motions. And now since you already used the 3D Zoom Pro, now we need to use 3D Zoom only. Wait until it's being applied. Okay, when you're done, just need to click done. And now let's do a comparison between Pro and the 3D Zoom only. So this is the 3D Zoom Pro. Let's continue with the 3D Zoom only. And now you can choose which 3D effects that you want to add into your project. That's the way how to have a 3D edit on a CapCut. If you find this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.